My name is Jonathan Mansfield from Princeville Credit Advocates. Being a homeowner with a mortgage, I know the huge amount of work that goes into having a loan application approved, both for the buyer and the broker. I also know how important my credit history will be in the final decision-making process. Nasty surprises on a credit file usually kills the deal, so it's best to check first. But what if a credit file check reveals a poor credit score? There are a few ways the deal can go when this situation arises. The deal can probably die right there. Letting a client know this can be devastating, as they may have to wait it out until their credit score improves, whilst property prices keep on rising. You could possibly recommend a second-tier lender, higher upfront application and risk fees, and ongoing higher interest rates. The downside will be the client's capacity to service the loan in the long term. You could suggest that the client contact a credit repair company, but let the client do their own research. Or ideally, you could partner with a specialist debt management and credit repair company like Princeville Credit Advocates and push the client in our direction. Once we get our work done, you'll be able to offer your client the most affordable loan on the market. Credit repair takes on average 6 to 8 weeks to complete. The upside is that your client will be able to buy into an ever-increasing property market with access to the best available interest rates and loan products. And that is pure gold. We would love to partner with you and see your overall deals increase. So please reach out to the team on 1300 93 6363 or email help@princeville.com.au today.